Good morning. We're very excited to continue a special feature. Every Tuesday here on the Morning Report, thanks to our friends at Chick-fil-A, we'll bring you the School Spotlight. If you know of a school, teacher, or student that is doing amazing things and you would like for us to feature them, then all you have to do is send us an email to events@wgbctv.com or send us a message on Facebook at the Meridian Family of Stations Facebook page and give us all the details. Every Tuesday, we'll spotlight that school or person. The Tuesday School Spotlight is brought to you by our friends at Chick-fil-A in Meridian. The story of Little Red Riding Hood from the Big Bad Wolf's perspective will take place in the upcoming Meridian Little Theater's youth production of the real story of Little Red Riding Hood. The curtain rises today and continues through the 15th. The youth production features students of all ages from many area schools, with the part of Little Red Riding Hood portrayed by Lisa Malloy, and the wolf, also known as Canis Rufus, is portrayed by Shane Blanton. Both students attend Lamar School. Contact the MLT box office for showtimes and to reserve your seat. Now I want to introduce you to our pet of the week. Meet Rosie. She is a 10-week-old Chihuahua female and is up to date with vaccinations. She has 4 siblings, 1 sister and 3 brothers. Some of them are long-haired, and all of them would make a wonderful addition to your family. A small adoption fee is required and includes 2 sets of shots, rabies, and spay or neuter. Also, this Saturday, a pet adoption will be held at the Petco in the Meridian Crossroads from 11 a.m. until 4 p.m. For more info, call Paula or visit the East Mississippi Animal Rescue website. After many months of construction and renovation, classes finally began this week at the new MSU Meridian branch in downtown, inside the Newberry building. With the new year, it is exciting for the students in the business program at MSU Meridian to attend classes at the new location, and it will provide the opportunity to improve and increase enrollment, plus develop a full downtown campus. Students attending classes downtown should park in the parking garage located on the corner of 24th Avenue between 7th and 8th Street. And you're encouraged to get there a little early to help with easy access. A formal ribbon cutting will be held at a later date. For more information, contact MSU Meridian. Are you a friend of the family? Go like the Meridian Family of Stations on our Facebook page for lots of opportunities to win free stuff and also keep you up to date on other happenings in our area. If you have an event you would like for us to promote, just send us an email to events@wgbctv.com and tell us all about it. I'm Angie Denny, and this is your Morning Report.